Hello ma'am, my name is Dhaval Pandav. I am from collegedinner.com. A very warm welcome to our interview series which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview with the various dignitaries such as owners, VCs, principals, HODs and teachers. Before I proceed with this interview, I would request you to give brief introduction about yourself. Ma'am.
Hello Dhaval, it's a great pleasure to be here. I'm Dr. Sapna Prabhu and I'm currently officiating as Head of Department of Electronics and Computer Science at FRCRC. I'm also the Dean IQAC of the Institute, so I take care of all the quality monitoring processes too.
It was really nice knowing about you and your experience, ma'am. So my first question is, you have held a key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. So what keeps you connected with the education sector and how has been your experience so far with this institute?
I think I'm here for the last 31 years. So it's been a great association that I've had with CRC. I'm also happen to be an alumnus of this institute. The basic vision of our institute is molding engineers who can build the nation. So I must say that the last 31 years have been so exciting because we all are working towards this vision. And my own experience as a teacher has been extremely satisfying. I've started off as a lecturer and now currently I'm officiating as head of department. So I have been in different roles and every role has been very, very interesting. But I think what is the most interesting thing about my job and about my role is my close association with students. And that is the younger generation and the future of our nation.
Being the HOD and Dean at FRCRC, what are your roles and responsibility toward the students, ma'am?
So, as a head of department, of course, I have various roles in different, towards different stakeholders. So, my roles extend towards one is ensuring that there is a very strong teaching learning process going on. So, motivating my faculty to keep reinventing themselves, ensuring that they go ahead and complete their research in the upcoming domains, etc. So these are very important things. So that's about the faculty. Also motivating students to keep them interested, ensuring that we understand what are their issues and dealing with them. Then providing a very good infrastructure in the department, ensuring that our labs are updated and we are conducting the best practicals for the students, etc. So these are certain roles that I play as head of department. And also as Dean Quality, it's my job to ensure that all the academic processes and others are monitored closely so that we do not dilute the overall quality of education that we're giving to our students.
Do you have any extracurriculum activity or program to enhance the skills of students?
In fact, I must say that FRCRC is extremely rich in its range of extracurricular activities that we offer to students. We basically at CRC, we believe in the holistic development of a student. So I can very confidently claim that a student who comes in the first year in CRC and one who leaves out after 4 years, you will see the difference because of our emphasis on holistic education. So extracurricular activities range from literary activities, debate activities, dance, music, you name it, sports and all of that. And I think these are all very, very essential to making well-rounded engineers. And CRC, I believe, is doing a great job in providing this.
Since we are autonomous now, how does the curriculum of FCRC ensure that students are being prepared for the future?
I must say we are very excited about the upcoming autonomy. From the academic year of 24-25, we are basically turning autonomous. We are actually having academic autonomy, which gives us the freedom to develop a wonderful curriculum. So I would urge everybody to visit our website and look at the curriculum that we have made. It's having a great combination of technical subjects, which of course are mandatory. But besides that, we have a lot of subjects which a student can take, a lot of elective choices which a student can make. And in fact, it's a great way for the student to try and understand what his or her strengths are. So the entire curriculum has been devised to include language courses and liberal learning courses. You could go into learning. There are courses which include, law for engineers and so on. So I believe that the curriculum that we've come up for under the autonomy is going to be extremely beneficial for a student to learn all different kinds of domains.
What would you like people to know about your institute they may not know?
I mean, one of the things that people feel, and I personally believe, is that, there should be a large degree of discipline that should happen in an engineer. And it's very, very crucial because that's how you learn to be meticulous in your work. I believe one of the most key things that anybody will gain when they come into CRC is the disciplined environment. And by discipline, I don't mean that we curb anything, but there is a lot of emphasis given on being disciplined about your work, managing things very well. And according to me, that is the most important skill that any student should have. So I guess that is something that we are very, very particular about at CRC, besides our other strengths.
Any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
I think I've said this before also, and I still say it, that it's very important that a student has to be well-rounded. So, I mean, we've seen cases where students are extremely good in their studies academically, get a great CGPA, etc. But when it comes to soft skills, they really don't manage to do that. So to every student or in fact, the young generation, I would basically say that you must try and balance all this out. So beside acquiring technical skills, you must also try and make yourself as a confident individual by trying and addressing whatever little problems you see in your own personality, because that will make you the entire package. And believe me, that's what the industry and the world outside requires.
It was a pleasure talking to you and interviewing thoughts on education, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.